Hello guys, it's BMK Shots and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be putting you guys through on how to create a logo and save it as an action. So okay, I went through the process of downloading the fonts. So I used this site dafont.com or dafont.com, and the font I downloaded was Mediga font. So I downloaded the font and I already have it saved on my laptop and I installed it already. So this is it, Mediga font. So let's start. So the first thing we'll do is we'll write. When you download the font, after downloading the font, you import a picture into Photoshop. Then you write. Next thing to do is after you write, after you use your text tool to write your name, your brand name, next thing you do is you delete the current layer, the background layer I mean. So you delete the background layer by clicking on it and delete. Yes, delete. So you are now left with your font. So by that, okay, with your font now, what we are going to do is we go to save and we save as shift control S, shift command S, save as. And we are not going to save it as a JPEG. We are going to save it as a PNG. So we're going to save it here. Let's say thriller pixels. I'm sorry, thriller pixels. Save. Save. Okay, now it's done saving. So next thing we're going to do is we are going to back everything by going to the history and scrolling to the top of the history and clicking on the image, the first image. So we are here. So after this, the next thing we are going to do is clicking on action and turn uncheck the button mode. Then we scroll to the down to the bottom of the actions and everything and click on new set. Let's name this set thriller pixels for the purpose of this video. Okay, and a new action, let's just say TP and record. Okay, no, stop, hold on, let me delete this. Let's say new. Yeah, so you can also choose a color for your action. You can also choose a color and a function key. You can choose a function key. So let's use F12 and let's use blue and let's name this T thriller pixels and record. The shortcut, we hide the shortcut for okay. Yeah, okay. So now it's recording. So whatever we do on Photoshop, we affect Photoshop. It will reflect in our action, in our Photoshop I mean. So let's import this saved PNG file that we did earlier. We're going to import it to Photoshop. So drag it in Photoshop and it's been imported. So click OK and head back to the actions tab and click stop. So we click on this and check the button mode, and wow, this is it, 3 pixels. So what we can do is we can click on this 3 pixels and delete. So whenever we click on this, we get now we get our 3 pixels. So if we click on it again, it will keep coming, so you can delete. So even if you don't want to click on this, you can press F12 and it will come. So it's just the same with my Photoshop, with my BMK shots action, which is F9. So, and another thing, you can invert this in case you are working on a background that is white. You can change this to black, and let me change my BMK shots logo to white. I'll do that by pressing Ctrl and pressing I, or Command I, Ctrl or Command I. So it will invert it to white. Then I can make it white or black depending on my background layer. So what is this? Let me see. Okay, and this. Okay, yeah, I did a job some months ago for a friend of mine. He was shooting at this place, so I did some edits for him. So instead of just manually importing the logos into my app, I just created a logo. I created an action for them, and I was using them seamlessly. So that's it, guys. There you have it. So this is how to create an action, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe and turn on post notification. Like this video and comment, and share to your friends. Thanks. Stay tuned to the next video.